guys, JDizzEats, and today we're gonna teach you how to make a dalgona coffee like this. And this is my first time making the how-to video since we're in quarantine. So what dalgona coffee is, it's like a whipped cream coffee basically. It's a trend on TikTok, on South Korea basically. And this is what they make during quarantine. So yeah, famous. And it's basically whipped cream coffee and milk in here. So it doesn't matter what milk you put in here, by the way. I put like regular milk. You can put almond milk, soy milk, and others milk you want in here. So yeah, we're gonna get into the steps, and guys, let's get into the steps on how to make these bad boys up. You will need hot water, Nescafe instant coffee, some sugar, milk, any milk at the end, 2 tablespoons of these bad boy called instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of hot water. This mixer, electric mixer, you can use the whisk, but I don't have a whisk, so I'm using this. And the water must be hot, not cold. And we're gonna mix this. And you just do this. And just mix that. So yeah. So it should be like a whipped cream consistency of this dalgona. And yeah, see guys when they turn to a whipped cream. So this is what the result will look like after you've been mixing this. Should look like a peanut butter texture and a whipped cream coffee like. Yeah, I'm gonna mix it for a few seconds, couple or several. Yeah, I'm gonna mix that. Yeah, this is what it should look like for your dalgona coffee. Okay, I think that's it. So to that. So now we're gonna put those on a cup with milk in there. And yeah. So first of all, put milk. So make sure it's halfway, so you have enough room for your dalgona coffee. I think that should be good in there. You put your dalgona, what you made here, your whipped coffee, and you just put in here. So put all of those in there. See? Look at that. It's whipped coffee. It's like peanut butter. Except it's actually coffee. So I'm trying to get everything out here. And ta-da! That is your dalgona coffee right there. Guys, alright. Just done making these dalgona coffee. And now we're gonna give this a taste, how it is. It's perfect. First time I made it, and it's actually perfect. And yeah, we're gonna give it a taste. Let's see what the whipped cream coffee dalgona is. It looks like Haagen-Dazs. It smells like Haagen-Dazs, actually. Damn, that coffee's really strong. Coffee really strong. I think gotta mix this actually. So I recommend mixing this coffee so you don't taste that really strong coffee flavor. So make sure you mix this. I think this is good enough. I don't know if you're supposed to mix it, but I prefer to mix it because of the strong coffee flavor. It's not Haagen-Dazs. It's basically like regular coffee you would have at home, except it's in whipped cream, and then you put with milk in there. So that's the difference. I thought that whipped coffee would taste like Haagen-Dazs, except you put those 3 ingredients in that I showed you. Okay, I think this is good with the mix, and now we're gonna give this a taste. Give this a taste, guys. This one. Not bad. Kind of tastes like regular coffee, except it's cold, you know, iced coffee. It kind of tastes like iced coffee, and except you put milk in there, you know, instead of cream. Instead of cream, you put milk, and the rest like sugar, and that's it. I don't know what happens if you put like cold water instead of hot water, but you guys should try that out, putting cold water like substitution. Yeah, we're gonna give this another bite, another sip. Kind of refreshing actually. But it's not the drink I would ever drink again. But sometimes, maybe in the future, like once in a lifetime. So yeah, this Dalgona coffee is kind of good, like to start up your day, get your energy up in the morning. Even though it's not morning right now, it's afternoon. So yeah, I would actually give this I think like a solid 7.5 out of 10-ish for me. I like it. It's just that strong coffee taste, you know. And it's not something that I would want to have it again. There you go. That's how you make and drink a Dalgona coffee. Alright guys, that'll be it for this video. So this is my first how-to video. And if you do want to see more of these, please leave a like, comment for any suggestions, and subscribe for more videos and content. And guys, see you guys next video. Bye.